Bright and early, Captain Todd with Funshine Island Services offered to take me to North Captiva.
You're just gonna tie right here
to see how the island is doing since Hurricane Ian.
This community, it's the essence of why we're here.
I met with people like Fire Commissioner Duncan Rosen.
And this is what our homeowners are facing on North Captiva. We have catastrophic wind damage here.
And every day, he looks at all of this.
Can you imagine the winds, though, that to do something? I'd say at least half of the houses out here have substantial damage.
Beyond the damage is the push to rebuild. Not only the houses.
Think about the workers and the families that depend on the revenue from the tourism.
The problem? Supplies.
Mainly it's the gas and diesel to keep our equipment moving so we can continue our cleanup efforts.
Resources?
It's not sustainable.
That are hard to come by.
The barges are the biggest concern. The CoOp is crucial to this island. That's why Pine Island made it, is to have access to the barrier islands. And without that, it's very challenging.
Challenging, but not impossible for this community.
This clear road just shows how strong the Captiva community is. Community members, workers, and employees from restaurants have spent days to clear this road just so people can get around to their homes.
It's just going to be a day-by-day process.
A process for Lucas Rallman, one of the 34 people who rode out the storm on the island.
So I got a lot to rebuild. I got the house, the shop, and just the whole entire island.
An island known for this.
Right now, it's a sign of hope that the island will return to the way it was.
The way it was, beautiful beaches and clear water. But for now, we're having to leave it as it is with Captain Todd.
We look out for each other.
With the story of his own.
Did lose a home. It took about 4 or 5 tumbles and rolls and completely destroyed every bit of it.
What did make it out? His life, his family, and...
My boat is okay. There's the main thing. I can still make some money down the road here.
A boat the charter captain relies on.
The list just goes on and on and on for the amount of people that depend on seas and bad.
He knows it will take some time to recover, though...
We just need a little help from outside.
But on the inside...
This is my community.
Are the people...
My family.
Helping their neighbors.
We're all hurting right now.
Hurt. Turning into strength for the North Captiva community, a community that will rebuild its white sand beaches and crystal blue water.
Nature's healing, and we'll be next with it.
In North Captiva, Kaitlin Knapp, Fox 4.